My turn. For these questions, we first of all need to recall the fact that our probabilities are going to add up or sum to 1. That's a key fact we're going to need to know. For this question, we've also been given a little bit more criteria. We've been told that the probability of landing on a yellow is the same as the probability of landing on a green. They're equal. So we can, first of all, find out what green add yellow is. So let's find that out first. So to do that, I simply do 1, take away what I already have, which is 0.4. That's going to be an answer of 0.6. But remember, that's the probability of yellow and the probability of green. We haven't found the probability of them separately yet. To do that, because we know they're the same, we simply take our answer and we divide it by 2. That is going to give us answers of 0.3 for each of these colours. Now, we've got 2 questions to follow this. We've been asked for the probability of getting a red and a yellow and the probability of getting a red or a yellow. Those words in between are really important, whether it says and or whether it says or, because it affects what we do. If it is an and, we are going to multiply. If it is an or, we're going to add. It's a little bit confusing, as traditionally the word and is meant add, but in probability it simply means multiply. Maybe jotting this down as a fact might help you. So red and yellow, I'm going to do the probability of red, which is 0.4, times the probability of yellow, which is 0.3. That is going to give me a total now of 0.12. 3 times 4 is 12, but they're both 0.4 and 0.3. That means we're actually dividing it by 10 twice. That's how we get to 0.12. For the next one, we're going to be adding them. So I'm going to be adding 0.4, add 0.3, which is going to give me a total of 0.7. Pause the video here, use this example, have a go at the your turn question. Your turn. For this question, we once again need to recall the fact that these probabilities here are going to sum to 1. There's no additional criteria for us to worry about, so this is a nice straightforward question. So first of all, I need to add up what I have, so I'm going to do 0.1, add 0.3, add 0.4. That's going to give me a total of 0.8. Then I do 1, take away that answer to give me the missing value, which is 0.2. And I fill in my table. Then I've been asked what the probability of getting a 1 and a 2 is, and what the probability of getting a 1 or a 2. So recalling what was said previously, for the and, we're going to multiply, for the or, we're going to add. So 1 and 2, I look at my table now, and I go, right, I'm going to need this probability and this one here. So multiplying those together, I'm going to get 0.1 times 0.3 is going to give me an answer of 0.03. And then for the probability of getting 1 or 2, I'm going to do 0.1, add 0.3, which is going to give me an answer of 0.4. Be careful with your place value for these questions and have a go at the next set.